Hi, my name is Sandhya Shankar and I handle sales for Gandhi Automations. We are pioneer in this field of entrance automation and loading bay equipment. We are into this field for the past 30 years and we have our huge manufacturing facility in Bhiwandi, which caters to all the requirements pan-India, as well as we are supplies abroad as well. We have a factory in Mumbai as well as we have our office in Dubai as well. Welcome, and I'll just take you a tour along all the products. Now the product which is displayed here is dock leveler. The dock leveler is actually, it acts as a bridge between your factory floor level as well as the vehicle which comes for loading and unloading. So this is a very safe product. It eases the motion movement of the forklift from within the factory to the vehicle which comes for loading. There are various capacities available. This is a 6-ton dock leveler, varying depending upon the factory industry needs. It can be customized and we can increase the capacity of the dock leveler as well. It is equipped with automatic side flaps, so it can cater to different sizes, different dimensions of vehicles which are coming. And it is electro-hydraulically operated, where the power pack and everything rests inside the pit. So, and the controls are a single push button. So very easily you can operate the entire dock leveler, safe of operation. The lip rests on the vehicle bed, and it stops wherever it goes to the complete height, and when it is coming down, it detects wherever the vehicle is, and it stops over there. The lip rests on the vehicle.
Okay.
The loading unloading happens. Once the unloading is done, the lip comes down, vehicle moves, and the dock leveler comes down automatically.
Okay, very good. Anybody is already using this product?
We have many. We cater to all the industries. We mainly cater to the automobile industry, particular to Tamil Nadu. If you say, we have the electronic manufacturing units, we have the automobile industry, warehousing. We have a huge client base in warehousing as well. Another product which is displayed over here is the overhead sectional door.
Okay.
It is a puff insulated door. So we have 40 mm puff insulation inside this. These are panels, puff insulated panels, and these are customized Vista panels which provide a see-through view of the factory inside. And this can also be customized. It gives a proper ceiling, and we have different types of elevations in this. This is a normal lift. It can go a vertical lift also. This is basically in the loading unloading area.
Okay. So when the truck comes, this will go up, right?
Yes,
okay.
it can. It is actually, you can interlock it with your dock leveler also. So whenever the vehicle comes, the door opens and the dock leveler opens, and then it does the loading unloading. The vehicle loading unloading stops. The vehicle moves. This comes down and the door closes, and you have a perfect ceiling, tight and secure.
Okay. Where is the operations, madam? Like it will be done. Can you show that?
This is a 3-station push button.
Okay.
Open, close, and emergency stop for the overhead door.
Okay.
And this is a single station push button for the dock leveler.
Okay. Can you operate it like so?
This is for the door. Move along the guided track over there.
Okay.
ரோல் ஹெட்செட் அந்த மாதிரி நம்ம இருக்குங்களா இந்த இடம் கொடுக்க இது வந்து ஆக்சிடென்ட் அப்போ வந்து உங்களுக்கு இதாக இருந்தது ப்ளஸ் இதோட திக்னஸ் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 40
Now another product which is circular fan. Circular fan. It actually throws air inside the container. So when any container person is inside, he's and it circulates the wind and it increases the productivity of the person working also. Rolling shower. The one that is displayed over here is an insulated rolling shutter.
Okay.
It comes with puff insulation. We have different types, different models of rolling shutters, which are like galvalume rolling shutters, aluminium rolling shutters. Rolling shutter basically they are for the security of any industry. They are normally installed on the exterior of the unit or of the factory or a warehouse. So this is like completely motorized.
Okay.
Ease of operation. You have a button, single button which comes down. You have an emergency stop button. You can stop it also anywhere.
Okay.
Very easy to operate. Smooth operation. And in case of any power failure, you can have the chain also to open the rolling shutter.
Okay, in case of...
Completely motorized. You can
Okay.
see that the motor is motorized.
Okay.
Very easy to operate.
This will be used for factories outside,
Yes,
right?
factory outside. On the exterior of the shutter.
Okay.
Exterior of the factory.
Any warranty for this, madam?
Yes. It comes with a warranty for the owner. Completely rests.
Okay.
Yeah, and it just slides through and merges with the factory floor.
What is this, madam?
That is a sensor that has been there.
Okay.
So it is like if there is any movement or if
Uh-huh.
you touch the shutter when it is coming down, it will stop. This is an
Okay.
optional accessory. When it
When
is
it
coming
coming down.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a high-speed door over here. It is a curtain material, a PVC curtain material, very robust, lightweight, and where it can be used where you have multiple operations, continuous operations, like you have forklift movement or man movement or pallet truck movement. These doors are the best within the factory or on the exterior of the factory also.
Okay.
And as you can see, when you have any movement also, it detects the door doesn't come down. So
Okay.
there are photo cells and we have light grills also provided over here. So they
Okay.
sense the motion, they detect any activity and they stop immediately.
Okay.
This being high speed, these are all inbuilt. We give pair of photo cells over here which are inside inbuilt.
Okay.
As you can see, you have a pair of photo cells over here as well as a light grid over here.
Okay.
So if till the time my hand is here, the door will not come down.
Okay.
So it detects that there is a movement over here. There's someone standing beneath the door, so it will not operate. The moment I remove it, it will come down in a couple of seconds. It will detect that there is a movement, automatically it rolls up. It will
stop.
not come down. So it is a very safe high-speed door to operate as well. And there are different models available, and these can be installed within the factory, exterior of the factory, cold room areas, in manufacturing facility, in robotics also we can, robotic welding area also we can use such type.